Jeffrey. He's brushing his teeth on this lovely morning, trying to get rid of that baby breath. Stinky baby breath. Are you brushing your teethies? Are you brushing your teethies, Jeffrey? What are you doing? Doing a little dance, making a little love, get down tonight. It's the other end. It's not supposed to go in your mouth. Noodle, Jeffrey Noodle. Everybody like those 4T pajamas? Oh, that had hurt. Oh, whoa, whoa. Then he gets down and humps the ground. Little baby humps. Are you coming up with me? Are you gonna come up and explore the upstairs and get into everything? Jeffrey, Jeffrey, beautiful noodle, beautiful noodle, beautiful noodle. Mommy's gonna get you something for your teethies today. Beautiful noodle, Jeffrey Noodle. Hi! Oh, why'd you throw your toothbrush? Now Mommy's gotta disinfect it. Can I have a kiss? Have a kiss? Can Mommy have a kiss? Jeffrey, can Mommy have a kiss? Noodle, can Mommy have a kiss? Whoa, what was that? Look at these faces. Do it again. What was that? Jeffrey! Noodle! Noodle. Jeffrey Noodle. Can I have a kiss? Please? Can I have a kiss? No. Oh, he's shaking. He's shaking. He's shaking. He's shaking. Oh, you really don't want to give me... Ouch. You really don't want to give me any kisses, huh? You don't want to be filmed. Let go. Oh, God. Careful. Jeff, will you come hold the stair? Okay, over here. Come hold the stair over here. Jeffrey, you're gonna be a stinky butt boy. You're crazy. You're crazy right now, little boy. No, 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 no. Ka, 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 ka. Cause I'm Noodle. I'm Chunky Noodle. Chunky Noodle, Doodle. Noodle. Chunky Noodle. Yeah. Where are you going? You want to go play upstairs? Get into trouble? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going, Jeffrey? The viewers would like to know. Oh, you're going to show them your room? God, I'm glad it's not Mommy and Daddy's room. Oh, you're Spider-Man? Yeah, you broke the crap out of him. Yeah, you broke the crap out of him. He's twisted and crap. No, caca! Caca! Your stink butt diapers are in there. Those are your memory boxes. No, that's your... No, no, no. Mommy worked hard on that. Your baby book. Get him. Get him, Jeffrey. Get him. You mangled him. Alright, fine. Show everybody how dirty we are. Noodle doodle doodle doo doodle 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 doo. Noodle, remember this mirror? Remember this? Remember this over here? Oh, look at his face. He gets all excited and he shakes like that. Jeffrey, remember this? Oh. No, you don't remember that? You don't really care? I love you. I don't want you to be grown up. Mommy doesn't want you to be all grown up. Look what I have. Ooh. Come here and play with me. You're a boob.